Yes, the future of IT filing, that is AIS or Annual Information Statement. The Government of India Income Tax Department announced the rollout of Annual Information Statement in the compliance portal on 1st November 2021, replacing the existing form number 26AS. But what is Annual Information Statement? Actually, AIS or Annual Information Statement is a bigger version or wider version of form number 26AS. It gives you more comprehensive details, more comprehensive view, more comprehensive picture of all financial transactions you made during the last financial year. And that comprehensive view of all financial transactions in a single track will make your filing of income tax return much easier than ever before. But how to access annual information statement in the new income tax portal? Just log into your e-filing account, and from the dashboard you straight go to the service tab, and under the service tab you will get annual information statement. Here you see, this is the home page of new income tax portal, and from the home page you just log into your e-filing account. This is the dashboard of the party, and from the dashboard you straight go to service area, and under the service tab you will get annual information statement or AIS. Just click on that, click on proceed, and this is AIS portal. Just click on AIS. Here you see two tabs are given, one for taxpayer information summary or TIS and other for annual information statement or AIS. Taxpayer information summary gives you the details of informations regarding your all income, like income from salary, income from business, income from profession, income from dividend, interest on SB account, interest on deposits, and also your business expenses. And on the other hand, the annual information statement or AIS, that gives you the details of TDS, TCS, details of specified financial transaction, details of tax payment, details of demand or refund, or details of other informations, etc. So these are the two important area. One is TIS and other is AIS under the tab of AIS or Annual Information Statement. First, just click on TIS. The taxpayer information summary. The first, the general informations like PAN number, Aadhaar number, name of the SSC, date of incorporation or formation or date of birth, mobile number, email ID, address, etc. And in the second part, you see the interest income, business expenses, etc. If we click on annual information statement, you will get the details of AIS or annual information statement. Just the first part is general information. Part B, the TDS and TCS information. These are the details of the TDS, and if you click on any item, you will get more details of the TDS, like that, quarter wise summary of TDS, the SFT information, the information relating to the specified financial transaction. The next tab, that is the payment of tax. If you have paid any taxes like self assessment tax, advance tax, etc., that will be reflected here. Any outstanding demand or refund, that you can get from this tab, demand and refund, and other informations. You can download the tax information summary and annual information statement just clicking on the download link, and you will find taxpayer information summary TIS in PDF. You can download it from here. Similarly, annual information statement, click on download. You will get annual information statement AIS in PDF format. It can be downloaded in JSON format also. So these are the things that is actually included in AIS or Annual Information Statement. as introduced by Income Tax Department from 1st November 2021. And if you have not yet filed your income tax return for the assessment year 21-22, you can check each and every parts of AIS and TIS to file your income tax return in a proper way. That's why future of IT filing is totally depends on AIS or annual information statement. So that's it, and thank you for watching this video.